We started our India journey 4 years ago with a handful of employees in a very small office which could only seat 6 people. It's pretty phenomenal to start so small and then becoming India's #1 smartphone brand for last 4 consecutive quarters.
One of the things that serves as the cornerstone of Xiaomi is its constant effort to bring innovation for everyone. This ideology has made us #1.
We owe this to all our Mi fans and to the entire Xiaomi India family. In order to celebrate our #1 position for 4 consecutive quarters, we decided to do something different, something very unique. So we created the world's largest light mosaic in a brand new office.
Every time I hear about the amazing things Xiaomi does and their vision, I feel proud to call myself a Mi fan.
It's amazing to have witnessed Xiaomi's growth so far. It is one of the very few companies who really listens to fans.
I'm so excited to be part of this celebration, not just because I'm a Mi fan, but because of the record which is created.
What you see in front of you is a record attempt for the largest light mosaic. It is a new Guinness World Record title. Congratulations, all of you.
The light mosaic is symbolic of the synergy of all the forces that has helped us in this great journey so far. The way every light bulb contributes to this beautifully illuminated Mi logo, each and every Mi fan and employee has contributed towards making Xiaomi what it is today.
Xiaomi.